Okay guys, this is my 2014 Dodge Challenger RT. I'm going to go ahead and do a couple exhaust samples. I had the mid-muffler deleted and had Dynomax race bullets put in. Total cost for the mufflers and the installation was around 125 bucks. Sounds much better than stock. Go ahead and fire it up real quick. Have my daughter go in and start the car. Gabby, start it, let it sit for a couple seconds, and then hit the... Get a nice idle hum. Definitely louder than stock. So like I said, the total cost of that was 125 bucks. A huge difference over stock. I really like them, and definite improvement.